good, guys? So today we got the Hellcat Demon, 808 horsepower, and yeah, we're gonna see. This is so clean. So yeah, this car has 808 horsepower. It's a V8. This is so clean. This is so rare. So yeah, we're gonna go on a POV drive, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So does this car scare you?
Not anymore.
When you first got it, probably did.
Oh yeah, it did. Yeah. I mean, the thing is it's just a beast, you know.
Yeah.
It just goes,
Alright, we're gonna see how it is now. 3. Oh shit! Man, that's crazy.
I know, it's crazy. These kids like crazy, I tell you that.
Oh. Oh my! It's like
I don't know.
it's a spaceship, man. Oh my gosh! American V8, you can't beat that.
And these are like specially made for specific reason, you know.
Yeah. Oh. Nah, this is crazy, bro. Nah, this is tough, bro.
Yeah, these cars are like monsters.
Yeah. So how does it feel to own this car?
It's nice.
It's nice?
I'm glad I bought it, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, good investment as well. Yeah. Yeah, now they stopped the production of the V8s, right? Now they're doing electric. Yeah.
They don't have these anymore.
Yeah.
They only made like 3,000 and mine is like
3,000. Okay.
mine is 20.
So this is the 2973. So there's 3,000 made.
3,000 made, yeah, that's it.
It's crazy.
In the whole U.S. too.
The whole U.S. and Canada and it, all over the world. Basically.
All over the world, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
all over the world.
So this will definitely gap the AMG. I'm not gonna lie. AMG losing against this one.
Well, AMG is fast car, you know.
It's fast car, but not as fast as this one.
If you want to do a race right now, because
AMG is like
it's good off the line.
Use it.
Good off the line.
Yeah, you can use it. You can still race it. You know, whatever.
Yeah.
These are only for like racing and two people. That's not like
Yeah.
you know.
Do you use this car every day?
Right now, I'm doing it every day, but I shouldn't be doing it every day. But
Bro is using a daily, a Demon for the daily.
Yeah, Demon for daily. You know, I had the other car like Porsche and all that a while back, but
Oh,
not
okay.
when you were young. But now it's like this. I just kept this one.
Really?
That's all on. Yeah.
Huge tires. I think it got Brembo brakes as well. Oh, Pirelli's. Okay.
Okay, he's stuck up there. You got it?
Listen to this.
There we go. Give it some gas.